E is for asparagus, asparagus, asparagus. A is for asparagus. B is for broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. B is for broccoli. C is for carrot, carrot, carrot. C is for carrot. D is for daikon, daikon, daikon. D is for daikon. E is for eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. G is for eggplant. F is for fennel, fennel, fennel. F is for fennel. G is for garlic, garlic, garlic. G is for garlic. H is for horseradish, horseradish, horseradish. H is for horseradish. I is for iceberg lettuce, iceberg lettuce, iceberg lettuce. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno, jalapeno, jalapeno. K is for jalapeno. K is for kale, kale, kale. K is for kale. L is for leek, leek, leek. L is for leek. M is for mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. M is for mushroom. N is for napa cabbage, napa cabbage, napa cabbage. N is for napa cabbage. O is for okra, okra, okra. O is for okra. K is for catino, catino, catino. E is for catino. Q is for quinoa, a healthy veggie food. Q, quinoa, quinoa. R is for radish, radish, radish. R is for radish. S is for spinach, spinach, spinach. S is for spinach. T is for tomato, tomato, tomato. T is for tomato. U is for oogly vegetable, fun learning word. Q, oogly, oogly. Q is for oogly. V is for vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. W is for watercress, watercress, watercress. W is for watercress. X is for sigua, a healthy plant food. X, sigua, sigua. I is for yam, yam, yam. I is for yam. Z is for zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. Z is for zucchini. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and play. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Sing out loud. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Learning letters feels just right. A to Z, hip hooray. Let's play together every day. frangipani, F, F, frangipani, F is for frangipani. G is for gladiolus, G, G, gladiolus, G, G, gladiolus, G is for gladiolus. H is for hibiscus, hatch, hatch, hibiscus, hatch, hatch, hibiscus, hatch is for hibiscus. I is for iris, I, iris, I, iris, I is for iris. J is for jasmine, J, J, jasmine, J, J, jasmine, J is for jasmine. K is for kangaroo paw, K, K, kangaroo paw, K, K, kangaroo paw, K is for kangaroo paw. L is for lotus, L, L, lotus, L, L, lotus, L is for lotus. M is for marigold, M, marigold, M, marigold, M is for marigold. N is for narcissus, 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 N is for narcissus. O is for orchid, O, orchid, O, orchid, O is for orchid. Q is for Queen Anne's lace, lace, Queen Anne's lace, lace, Queen Anne's lace is for Queen Anne's lace. I is for rose, R, rose, R, rose, R is for rose. S is for sunflower, S, sunflower, S, sunflower, S is for sunflower. T is for tulip, T, tulip, T, tulip, T is for tulip. U is for ulex, U, ulex, U, ulex, U is for ulex. V is for violet, V, violet, V, violet, V is for violet. W is for water lily, W, water lily, W, water lily, W is for water lily. X is for serentemum, X, serentemum, X, serentemum, X is for serentemum. Y is for yarrow, Y, yarrow, Y, yarrow, I is for yarrow. Z is for zinnia, Z, zinnia, Z, zinnia, Z is for zinnia. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and play. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Sing out loud. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Learning letters feels just right. A to Z, hey parade. Let's play together every day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and play. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Sing out loud. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Learning letters feels just right. A to Z, hey parade. Let's play together every day. A is for apple, A, apple, hey, apple. A is for apple. B is for banana, B, banana, B, banana. B is for banana. C is for cherry, C, cherry, C, cherry. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit, D, dragon fruit, D, dragon fruit. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry, E, elderberry, E, elderberry. E is for elderberry. F is for fig, F, fig, F, fig. F is for fig. G is for grapes, G, grapes, G, grapes. G is for grapes. H is for honeydew, H, honeydew, H, honeydew. H is for honeydew. I is for ice apple, I, ice apple, I, ice apple. I is for ice apple. J is for jackfruit, J, jackfruit, J, kiwi. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. L, lemon. L, lemon. L is for lemon. M is for mango. M, mango. M, mango. M is for mango. M is for nectarine. N, nectarine. N, nectarine. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. O, orange. O, orange. P is for orange. P is for pineapple. P, pineapple. P, pineapple. P is for pineapple. Q is for quince. Q, quince. Q, quince. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry. R, raspberry. R, raspberry. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. S, strawberry. S, strawberry. S is for strawberry. T is for tangerine. T, tangerine. T, tangerine. T is for tangerine. U is for oogly fruit. U, oogly fruit. U, oogly fruit. U is for oogly fruit. V is for volvanga. V, volvanga. V, volvanga. V is for volvanga. Boo is for